fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching.
Hola mis amores, hi guys. So we're here. We're first in line.
It's really cold, and we're in Florida. Why?
We're here in line to get the iPhone 11 Pro Max in mid green, and yeah, right now there's
I thought it was midnight green.
Yeah, midnight green, same thing.
You said mint.
Midnight.
You said mint.
Oh.
Mint green.
Midnight green. We're the first ones in line.
different
There's
colors.
literally nobody around here, and so we brought the grandmas because we gotta bring the grandmas.
What the fuck?
And we brought the grandmas, and we're 7 right here.
Serious when the grandmas are involved.
Yes, definitely. So the grandmas are here. Abuelita, di hola.
Like that.
So yeah, we cannot get into the mall, like inside the mall, until 6. I believe they open. So I'll update you. Yeah, that's better a little bit. It looked tired as hell, bro. Anyways, so we cannot go inside. Until 6 o'clock. That's when they're gonna open the mall, and then they're gonna open the Apple store at 8 o'clock. So I'll update you guys whenever we're inside the mall to see if somebody else comes. As of now, it's just us. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so they're about to open the door. The Apple people are right there inside. I don't know if you guys can see them. Right there. So let's see how it goes. Are you excited?
Welcome, guys! You want to follow me?
So right now we're just going inside. There's everybody in the back. Just walking in.
A little bit? Well, the good news is we have no phones. Just kidding.
Yeah. What? So we're officially first ones in line, literally. We're the first ones in line. Everybody else is walking. So guess what? We're gonna be the first one to have iPhone. Just watching the footage, and I know I said like millions of times iPhone X Pro Max or something. I'm so used to saying iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XX Max. Like, come on. You have to like chill. Yes, I know I say iPhone X Pro Max. I know it's iPhone 11. We all thought it was gonna be called iPhone XI because that's 11 in Roman numeral. So, anyways, let's keep going with the video. Okay, so we just made the order. So I order 2 iPhone X Pro Max. That's not a guy. We're just kidding. I was like, that's not a guy. Stop. You should be happy it's like that. Anyway, so I was drinking coffee. Anyways, so so we both got pick his nose. Big George's nose. Anyways, yes. So we both got two iPhone 11 Pro Maxes in the midnight green. And yeah, we're just waiting here until they open the actual store.
So much stuff for just a phone.
Like for real, like look at that. Like everything behind me is just phones.
We've been here since 4 and it's about to be...
They have the new phones right there in display, so we're just waiting to go inside. Oh my gosh. They open at 8 o'clock. So we have to wait until 8. And yeah guys, so I'll update you whenever I go inside the store. Hopefully I can record. I don't think they'll still know, but no, we'll see. So we're here, they're opening the store. Oh. Alright, so we got our phones right here. They're in the back. We got the phone. Guys, so yes, I didn't record anything else. So pretty much, I got the phone right, but when I actually got, so it was me and my grandma, right? So my grandma got 2 other phones and I got 2 phones, right? So I got the first 2 phones and everything was like smoothly, whatever. The second time I had to like trade in some phones for me to get the credit because that's what Apple said. So I did some trade-ins, whatever, but there was some confusion. I guess this was, I don't know this. I can probably be completely wrong about this, but a lot of the people that was working there didn't know how the trade-ins really worked. So they were really confused about that, and they were giving you gift cards, but apparently the only ones I knew were like the top managers, you know? So those are the top managers that will come to me and, well, I mean, the Apple guy that was here because he needed help with. And apparently it's like, if you trade in one phone, just one trade-in, like trading purchase with one of them. So I trade in an XX Max, and for that one, I will get $600 credit towards my phone. So I will have to pay less for the one that I just purchased. But if I like the first time, so oh my gosh, I'm making it more complicated than it's supposed to, but that's how complicated it was. So the first time with me, I guess the guy messed up, right? And he did 2 phones, right? So like, let's just say he put like my order in and he did 2 phones that I was purchasing. So the midnight thingy, the midnight green. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So he did the midnight green, and he put in as 2 trade-ins for full price. So it was 500 and 500 because I was turning it in 2 X's. So it was 400. It was 400. I think it was 400 for each instead of being 350 because they take up like an amount or something like that. Whatever it was, mine was fine the first time. The second time that my grandma was getting the other 2 phones, they didn't give me a hard time, but it was just way too long. I literally spent there almost 2 hours just trying to figure out one freaking transaction. So pretty much what we did was like, you know, like we traded one phone, like the XX Max, for full credit of $600, and the other phones that I was gonna trade in, they were pretty much just gonna be for like instead of being $370 for an XR, they gave me $350. So it was like a $20 difference. It depends on the phone that you're trading in. But yeah, that's what happened. You know, we're all stressed out. We had like managers from left to right coming in and out all the time, because the guy that was working with me, he was kind of like new, and he was super nice, don't get me wrong. I loved him. Like, I was so glad I got him, because I feel like at that point he would have been like, whatever, like, God, why am I holding the phone like this? Like, honey. Anyways, so because I know everything has to be like quick and fast, like, the guy was so nice, and everyone there was so nice. You know, whenever we got in, like, they were like, yes, clapping, like, clap, 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 and yeah, they were just applause, and it was just like that. And you know, when the first customer, literally the first customer that left the store with the iPhone, everyone started cheering. I was like going nuts, like, woo, woo, woo. It was just like insane. But yeah, pretty much that was my experience. I'm sorry, I think you guys are gonna hear something. That's my vacuum. Anyway, so that was pretty much my experience. That was the first time I've ever went like first in line at an Apple store. The only reason why I didn't record was because the first time when I came into the store, like walking in, and they were like cheering, the guy from the front, once we got to the line, he was like, oh, make sure you don't record our faces and stuff like that. So I didn't want to record anything, just because I didn't know they're gonna like make me take it down or something like that. Like, who knows, like, some people don't want to be on the internet, and that's okay. 4 to 6, we started going inside the mall to make a line. From 6 to 7, we had to wait. At 7, they started taking orders, and at 8 o'clock, we were able to get in one by one. One by one, meaning like, if there's an Apple person that can help you, you'll go in like with your family or whatever, like 2 people at a time, whatever. I was helping my grandma, so yeah. I think they ran out of like 256 midnight green and 512 blacks and midnight green. The Pro Maxes, they ran out of that one. I think it was like, I don't know what time. I will say probably like at 11:30. Like, after, I'm not even joking, I feel like after like the mall opens, because the mall usually opens at 9 or 10, after that time, like, the line got long. Like, it was long non-stop. So many people there. They still had to control the people, because there was so much flow coming in. It was incredible. Yeah, guys, I hope you like my little Apple thingy. I don't know, I never do this, because I don't know, I've never been into like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go and camp out. But I did it for my boyfriend. He has you know, he has a phone store, and he loves phones. He fixes phones and everything. So I did it for him, and I mean, it was fun, like, to the point where you got there, you're like, wow, like, I'm here in line, I'm the first one in line, you know. And I was the first one to make my reservation, so it feels so good. Like, the guys are like, literally, they're like, so you're gonna be the first one and stuff like that. And I'm gonna put a picture right here. The guy took a picture of me and my cousin. The guy took a picture of me and my cousin when we were first in line. And he was like, yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of my first customers. And I was like, okay. But yeah, it was fun, and yeah, that's it. That's all I really have to say. If you guys want me to like an unboxing of the iPhone, the 11 Pro Max, let me know. I might be able to do an unboxing. I am actually gonna go to sleep for a little bit, and I'm gonna start doing homework, because yeah, I'm a full-time student and I love school. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on bottom. Subscribe, because the more subscribers that we have, the more we can grow this channel. And that's it. Go and just comment below if you're gonna get the iPhone 11 Pro Max, or the iPhone 11, or the iPhone 11 Pro, whatever you guys are gonna get. If you guys even want to get it, if you are gonna get it, why you want to get it. So let me know everything below. Comment. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you my social media here, wherever they appear in the screen. And that's it, guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.